Hi, kindergartners, and welcome to Mrs. Noakes' Friday math lesson. Hey, before we start, can I just tell you how proud I am of every single kindergartner in GRE? Because you guys show up every day. This is the second Friday of new lessons, so not only are you learning new stuff, you're also continuing to learn how to use this program and other programs, and you guys are rock stars. So kiss your brains, you're awesome. Today's lesson is going to be about partner numbers, and your learning target is I can find the unknown partner for numbers 7 through 9 when the total and one partner are known. So one of the partners is missing, and you have to guess what the partner is that's missing to give you a partner pair of 8 or a partner pair of 9. So it'll make more sense to you as we go on, okay? So I want to share with you what I have been working on. I made a bracelet of 8 beads, and it's actually really handy dandy to show partner numbers of 8. So far you guys have been using the lines with your break apart stick to help you figure out partners of numbers. Well, we're going to do it a little bit different today. And if you want to make this, you can. You don't have to. But I just thought it was neat. So these are all partner pairs of 8. They're all going to come out to 8. So I wrote equals 8 all the way down. So let's get started. And first of all, let's move all these to one side. And what do we have over here? Nothing. That's 0. 0 plus 8 equals 8. Let's move 1 over to the other side. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Let's move 2 over. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Let's move 3 over. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's move 4 over. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So now, boys and girls, these are all partners of the number 8. I can use these partners to make 8. 0 and 8 comes out to 8. 1 and 7 comes out to 8. 2 and 6 comes out to 8. 3 and 5 comes out to 8. 4 and 4 comes out to 8. Let's see what happens next. 5 plus 3. Uh-oh, I'm noticing something. We're flipping. 6 plus 2. That's the flip of 2 plus 6. 7 plus 1. That's the flip of 1 plus 7. And then we have 8 plus 0. That's the flip of 0 plus 8. Do you see that? I also notice another pattern that you might notice. I don't know. All right, so those are the partners of 8. I also made partners of 5 and 6 with the same method. And let me just show you what I did. This is the 6 one, and this is the 5 one. So I made all the partner numbers for that. There's so many different ways that you can make partner numbers, and I'll show you some when I explain the assignment. Now, what I want to explain to you is how unknown partners look, what that looks like, okay? So, first of all, if I have, and I'm going to do partner numbers of 8 again because we just talked about them. If I have blank plus 6, then I have the total, one known partner, but one unknown partner. So now I have to figure out, how can I get to 8? How can I solve that? What's missing in here? Well, the thing that you could do is you could draw out, and just for to make it fast, I'm going to draw them out. Draw out your total. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then draw or scratch out the number that you already know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's left over? Oh, that's 2. Okay. So you could do it that way. Let's do one more that way. Again, I'm going to mark this off. This time my unknown partner is going to be, let's do 3, and an unknown partner. Uh-oh. So again, I could just draw out my total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I can mark out what I already know is there, 1, 2, 3. And now I can count what's left over, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And indeed, 3 plus 5 is partner pair of 8, 3 plus 5, okay? Now, another way that, and this is what I love about math, is there's so many different ways you can do any given problem, right? So this one, I could also do a different way by what I call it counting up. So I could say, okay, well, that's 3. So I'm just going to say 3. I already know that. And then I'm going to count up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, what am I left with? 5 fingers. Okay, let's do another one like that. Let's do 6 plus unknown equals 8. All right, so 6 plus something. So let's count on from 6, 7, 8. Oh, that gives me 2. So that's another way you can do it. And in my assignment, in the template on the activity, I'm actually asking you, is there another way you can do this? Because there is. And so if you stretch your brain, tell me what you think the other way is. Record it as a response if you want to. It's a can do, not a need or not a must do. Okay. So today, what you guys are going to do for your assignment is you are going to take the number 9 and the number 7, and you're going to write the partner pairs for 7 and the partner pairs for 9 onto a piece of paper. Now, most of you won't have this to do it, so there are some easy ways that you can do it. You could take, this is a fun way, I like this way because you get to eat the gummy bears afterwards. You could break apart the gummy bears, so you could go, we're doing 7 first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you have 0 plus 7 equals 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then at the end you can eat them, right? And then you do 9 also. Now if you don't have gummy bears available, you can use noodles maybe. You could just draw it out maybe. Or you can use some paper scraps or some cute little bear scraps. Those are just mine. So any way that you can do it. Then I want to share with you really quickly the partner game and how that looks, what that looks like, so that maybe you can play it with mom and dad or with a friend or sibling. You probably don't have friends over right now. So say for instance you have, you're trying to figure out what the missing partner is. This is the missing partner game. So we have 7 plus blank equals 9. Okay, so one person has to be the guesser. The other person is the kind of teacher maker of the problem. Okay, so the teacher maker of the problem writes something like this down, and then they put the answer in there. They go, okay, 7, 8, 9, oh, that's 2. And then they take a cup and they put it over the missing part. And now the student or player can turn around and go, oh, 7 plus something unknown equals 9. And they can solve it however it works for them, maybe by counting up. And then they say 2, and you can say, yes, okay, you get to make up the next problem. If they say 1, then you get to make the problem up again. Okay? All right, have fun, guys, and keep on keeping on. Okay? I love all of you.